Hey everybody, welcome to Logic Foundations. So in this tutorial we're going to go over how to install Xampp. Xampp is a open source cross-platform, basically Apache web server. And what we're going to do is we're going to download this program. We're going to be able to use Apache and all the services that go along with a HTTP server like Apache, including MySQL, including PHP, hosting websites, things like that. So let's get started. So to get this, we're gonna download Xampp, and I don't know if that's actually how you pronounce it. I think it's how it's pronounced, but I'm not positive. So to start, we're gonna search for Xampp, and I will put this link in the description down below. We're gonna hit download. And then depending on what operating system you're running, if you're on Windows, obviously Linux or Mac, I'm on a Mac, so we're going to download 7.4.18. Okay, we're going to download that. Okay, we're going to go in here, we're going to run this. So on a Mac, we get this. Basically, we're just going to drag this into the applications folder. On Windows, there will be an installer. It's just the difference between how these applications actually install on the operating system. On a Mac, it's more of a sandbox application. On Windows, it puts it right on the C drive. Doesn't think anything of it. Okay, we're going to close that out. I'm going to come over here and we're going to eject that. And the first thing we want to do is we're going to come in here and launch this. And since it's the first time I'm opening it up, it's going to say, yeah, it seems like it's the first time. You're going to be asked for credentials. You're probably not going to be asked for this on Windows, but you definitely will be asked for it on the new Mac operating systems. So it initialized the stack. It looks like we're all good. We're going to start the IP address. We're going to start the server itself. Sorry about that. It's going to assign a status and an IP address. This will be kind of the local IP for the server itself running on our system. So there we go. We need to start up a couple services. Actually, I'm just going to start all of them because it's easier to do that. Then on network, we need to open up port 80 so we can actually go to it. And we're going to mount the drive itself. Okay, we're going to drop that down. Now we're going to open up a terminal window, or not a terminal window. We're going to open up a web browser. Sorry about that. And we're going to go to localhost 8080, okay? And you should get this, okay? So this means that everything is installed properly and your web server is up and running. So you can see everything that's actually running on here. You can use PHP. This is our database language based on MySQL. You can go to your actual admin page and things like that. So this is what we're going to use basically to actually build all of our applications. We're going to use this as the back end for a lot of our Java applications. We're going to use this to learn MySQL in the SQL tutorials. We're going to use this a lot. So make sure you take the time to go through and actually get this installed. And I will see you guys in the next video.